Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're gonna continue with matrix multiplication. And today we're gonna try to learn how to do the matrix multiply by matrix. Um, and first thing, let's start with some like examples. So we can say the methods of matrix of multiplication can be demonstrated something examples like numbers of books and puzzles sold by Fatima and Gianna, Gianna, um, and are recorded by the matrix N. So first thing, we start with something we call N. And selling the price of the book and puzzle are showing for matrix P. So we can say P is about the money. So for N, we can say book and puzzles, and Vidima was like got 7 books and 4 puzzles, and Gia was like 5 books and puzzles like 6. Because we're gonna try to find how much they've been earned. So S is showing the value sale made by each person. So first thing first, let's have a look. Because we're going with because you have 7 books and 4 puzzles for Fatima, so you do 7 multiplied by 20 and plus 4 multiplied by 30. That's it. And for Gia, it's like 5 books for 20 and 6 puzzle for 30. And then you adding all together, that's how much money you earned. So we can say you cross the first row, of the matrix N, so 7 and 4, and we move down the column by matrix P, so which is adding the product, a pair of numbers, and we go. So which is 7 multiplied by 20, 4 multiplied by 30, and then they plus together. The second column, 5 multiplied by 20, 6 multiplied by 30, and plus together. So that's how we actually adding the product, and also how we doing the questions by multiply by 2 matrix. But here's some rules actually we need to follow if you matrix multiply by matrix. So order of the first matrix and order of the second matrix, we can say, for example, M and N. So it's like different numbers, M times N. So remember, M is so sorry, M is the row and column is N. So make sure you have the same M and N. Okay. So we know the row multiplied by column, and another one is a row multiplied by column. So, but they must be the same. So your first matrix column must be equal to the second matrix of rows. Okay, start again. First matrix order the column is have to be equal to the second matrix of the row. Okay. So if I say earlier the books and puzzles, we can say is 7456 is 7456 and 20 and 30 multiply each other. So we can say it's 2 by 2 matrix, and 2 by 1 matrix. And then you can say 2 and 2 have to be the same. Does that make sense? If not, we're going through during the class. So order of product matrix, we have to be, if we M and N times P, so that's 2 different orders, second quadrant, and the second matrix and first matrix, and then after all, your matrix become 2. So if you do 2 by 2 and 2 by 1, you become to 2 by 1 matrix in your result. Okay? So because you become 2 by 1 matrix result. All right. So following matrix, let's try something with the examples and they will give you some ideas. So multiply each class below the definer. If matrix multiply is defined, place order and answer the matrix. So A and B, first question. A, B. So that was 3 by 2 and B is 2 by 1. So these two are same. So we can become to 3 by 1 matrix. So it's 3 by 1 matrix. And then let's try with B and A then. If that's B and A is 2 by 1 and 3 by 2, those two numbers are not same. Not same. So not defined for B times A. And C and D. Let's try C and D then. So for C and D is 1 by 3 matrix times 3 by 1 matrix. These two are same, so that equal to 1 by 1 matrix. And that's defined. So define it. Okay. Now I want you guys to try to define this decimal to let me know what's the order, what's the inside the number. And so if the order answer the questions, please. Perfect. Now let's start with multiplications. So run along the first row A and dive down the first column of B. Okay, repeat the running the row of the A, diving down the next column B until the all column B has been used. Okay, so please write these 4 in your reference book. That's showing you how to do in the matrix multiplications. And also remember, if two matrices multiply each other and then reverse multiply each other, they are not equal. Especially we can say from the example 1, A times B we can define, but B times A is not defined by B times A. So you can say they are not equal. Now, start with the same question, but we're going to try to multiply each other now. So A times B. So that equal to 541,263 multiplied by A and 9. So that equal to, so we're doing step by step. First step is we're gonna using B as a repeat. So it is 5 times 8 plus 2 times 9. That's the first column using that one. Okay. And then let's try the second one. 4 times 8 and 6 times 9. Okay. So 4 times 8 plus 6 times 9. That's the second one. And third one, 1 times 8 plus 3 times 9. So we say it's a repeat, if you can say. And then that will equal to 40 plus 18, 32 plus 54, 8 plus 27. And that equal to 58, 88, 6 and 35. So that's your answer after all. And now we're going to try to do B. C and D equal to 247 multiplied by 865. Okay, same ideas. We repeat to using. Because that's 1 by 3 times 3 by 1, in the end is 1 by 1. So we're gonna try to do is 2 times 8 plus 4 times 6 and plus 7 times 5. And that equal to 16 plus 24 plus 35. And then, so C times D equal to 75. 1 by 1 matrix. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys to do as the matrix multiplication. So let me know if you have any questions. I will see you guys next time. So next time we're going to do some matrix powers. So that will be more like a square and see how we're going to do these questions.